Nonnina. So I'm doing part 2 of my Valentine's Day special, but first I have a big announcement. There's love in the air! Oh, my little one Joey is finally getting married. All my other kids have already given me little ones running around. I never thought Joey was going to get married. Every time he brings a girl home, I never see her again after I pick up his tiny whities from his bedroom to do the laundry. Oh, I got so much to do, so I made a list. I need to come up with a budget for Patricia's dad. Obviously, he must know he's paying for it. I hope he's saved. I gotta come up with my guest list. I gotta narrow down to 250. Oh wait, but I didn't invite my second cousin Phyllis, and her mom would never let me hear the end of it if I didn't add her. Oh, but if I add her, I gotta add Francis and Felipe as well. Oh, but if I add them, I also gotta add Carol. I guess I'm at 254 now. What else do I have? I need to sample some food options. You see, Patricia's Irish. She even said to me, we don't need a pasta dish before the main meal. What? Of course you need a pasta dish. What's next? You're gonna say you don't need the Italian wedding soup? When your son's 40, you take a nice Irish girl, but you just gotta train her right. What else do I have? Oh, obviously with my sweet Joey and Patricia being a nice girl, they're obviously waiting for them to be married. So I'm gonna have to teach Patricia how it works down there. I'm also gonna have to teach her to cook, so I was thinking I'd just start with some Italian meat dishes, and it'd be like 2 for 1. But I won't have to teach her how to take the casing off the sausage because I want to get those grandkids right away. What else do I have here? Nonnina and I are gonna pay for the honeymoon, so I gotta plan the trip. I already decided we're gonna do a trip for 4 to Italy. I figured they're gonna want us there to make sure we can help them show them around. And I thought if they need pointers in the bedroom, I could help them so that way I get my little ones right away. And then I'm gonna have to come up with baby names. I was thinking Roberto for a boy and Josefina for a girl. Perfection! I can check that off the list. And the last one, I'm gonna plan an intimate Valentine's Day dinner to celebrate just for the 4 of us. Oh, I know what you're thinking, don't worry. Joey's been quarantined with us his whole life, and Patricia joined us at the beginning of COVID. So we're gonna do a flight of martinis to begin the celebration, and I thought I'd go over them with you as well. So let's go over all the drinks. So we're gonna make 4 martinis. The French 75, a Grapefruit Marcini, a Blood Orange Martini, and a Peach Cobbler Martini. Ooh, that one sounds so nice. Now, if you don't drink as much as Nonnina, you could go with the smaller martini glasses. But Nonnina likes things big. So let's go over the French 75 and how we make that. So we'll take our shaker and we'll add some ice. That's nice. And then we'll take our gin and we're going to do 2 ounces. Perfect. And we need our lemon juice, and it's 1 ounce. Ooh, it's gonna be lemony. And then we need our simple syrup. It's equal parts of water and sugar boiled. I did half a cup of water and half a cup of sugar for mine. And this is 1 ounce. Ooh, it's gonna be tasty. We need half an ounce of vodka. Ooh, it's a big bottle. Nonnina's gonna have fun drinking this later. That's nice. And And lastly, our champagne. And we need 3 ounces. Let me open this up, nice and fresh. Wow! I love that sound. And this is 3 ounces again. Perfect! And then we just shake it up. And woo! We're gonna make sure the lid's on. And now the French 75 is New Orleans inspired. Oh, and Nonnina has a lot of stories about New Orleans and a lot of beads. After I drink these 4 martinis, I'll probably get a couple extra beads tonight. Ooh, it's time to pour it in. I like to get it on. Perfect! And now we'll set it aside and we'll make the next drink. So let's make our grapefruit martini. We need to put the ice in. And we need our grapefruit juice. I got ruby red. 3 ounces of this. That's 2 and a half one. And then we need 1 ounce of lemon juice. That's a half an ounce. And there's the other half. And we need 2 ounces of vodka. And we need 1 ounce of triple sec. Perfect. And we need half an ounce of the simple syrup. And it's time to shake it. If you can dance a little, I like to shake my hips. And then we pour it in. That's nice. Next is our blood orange martini. Ooh, this is going to be delicious. So we'll put our ice in. And then we need our blood orange juice, or I'm using a blood orange mixer. And we need 2 ounces. Perfect. And then we need our vodka. 2 ounces of this. And then last, we need our Contru liquor, 1 ounce. And then we shake it. Nonnina should have been a bartender. I bet I would have got a lot of tips. That's nice. So pretty. And that martini is ready to be tasted, so we'll move on to our last one. And last up is our peach cobbler martini. Ooh, that sounds tasty. So we put our ice in. And we need 2 ounces of the peach vodka. And we need 2 ounces of the hazelnut liqueur. And 2 ounces of vanilla almond milk. And lastly, 1 ounce of peach juice. Perfect. And then we shake it. And you do a little shake yourself. Ooh, have some fun. It's gonna be really fun when we drink all these. And then we just pour it in. Ooh, that looks so delicious. Perfect. And I'm gonna clean up and then we'll do our taste test. So look at all the beautiful colors. It looks so pretty. So first I'm gonna try the French 75 Martini. Oh, that brings me back to memories of New Orleans. There's definitely a lemony taste, and that champagne makes it light and airy. Ooh, I liked it. And next we'll do a grapefruit martini. Ooh, that's wonderful. Definitely has the grapefruit flavor, and the simple syrup makes it a little sweeter than our first drink, which is nice as we lead up to our dessert martini. Next, let's do the blood orange martini. Ooh, that packs a punch. That's my favorite one yet. The blood orange makes it a little sweet, and the liquor is really strong. And when you mix it together, it's perfection. And now we're ready to move on to our dessert martini. And the last one, the peach cobbler martini. Ooh, wow! If you like the White Russian, this is a great twist on that. The almond milk makes it creamy, but the liquor has a nice nutty taste. Woo! That was really good. So, I hope you enjoyed the show. Please share me with all your friends. If you want to leave me any positive comments, I would love to respond. And I love that big thumbs up. And please hit the subscribe button. And if you want more videos of Nonnina in your feed, ding the little bell. And remember, if Nonnina can do it, anyone can do it. Buon appetito! Ciao!